Good morning and welcome to all the audience associated with YouTube channel Nitya Darshana. Today we will learn about the two communities on HUF, Hindu family business. This is Mitakshra and Daibhag. Let's learn about it. Joint Hindu family business is such business which start by a Hindu family in India as per Hindu law. There are two communities lies in this business which is performed by the Hindu family in India. One is known as Mitakshra and second one is known as Daibhag. In Mitakshra, a son gets a birthright from his ancestral property, means child get the right to his father's property as well as the property of his ancestral with the birth. This is fully implemented in all over the India except Assam, Bengal and Odisha. So always remember, Bengal, Assam and Odisha has been left off from this community and rest of India applies, in which the son gets the right from birth in the property of his ancestors. So the child has the right to inherit the ancestral property from birth. Under this, if the son is not an adult, then the father run and manage the parental property, and when the son becomes an adult, he can demand his share in this property. The benefit of the family members gets an uncertain. The less the property, the less the gain. More property, more gains. So share is uncertain. One more important thing in this death or birth of any member of the family, the interest of other members do also change. So this is all about the Mitakshra. Now let's take a look at Daibhag, which prevails only in Bengal, Assam and Odisha. It is just the opposite of Mitakshra, in which the son does not get the rights from birth. Only the father has the right over the parental property during his life. In this, son gets right over the property only after the father's death. Now we can easily differentiate both community on the following grounds. First one is the trend based. Now we know that Mitakshara is applied all over the India except Assam, Bengal and Odisha, whereas Daibhag is prevalent in Assam, Bengal and Odisha. Next is the on the basis of rights on ancestral property. In Mitakshara, from the birth of a son, rights are obtained in the father's property. On the other hand, in Daibhag, son does not get right in his father or ancestral property from birth. It is received only after the death of father. Third is on the basis of uncertain interest. The interest of members in Mitakshara remain uncertain. It keeps happening more and less, while in Daibhag the members have certain interest while the process of division. Next is change in interest. In Mitakshara there is a change in the interest at every death and birth of any member of family. On the other hand, in Daibhag, the death of any family member does not change the interest of other member. So this way we can easily differentiate both the communities, but both communities contribute a lot in joint Hindu family business. Here our topic is finished. Next topic will be on partnership business organization. Thank you very much for listening to this topic. Kindly like, subscribe and share this channel. Do also connect with us to our accounts channel ACNO. Thank you very much.